Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a chocolate chip banana bread. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we need. We need bananas. So these bananas here, if you can see, these are overripe bananas that I froze like few weeks ago or a few months ago, and then I thawed them out and then I peeled them, and this is it now. And then we have here 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 2 cups of chocolate chips. We need like 4 eggs, but since my eggs are not large eggs, so I have here 5. 1/2 cup buttermilk, 1/2 cup melted unsalted butter. This is 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, spoon salt, and this one here is the permeasured 4 cups of flour. This one here is for greasing our pans. So this one will make like 2 loaf of banana bread. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you need to mash your bananas with the masher. If we don't have a masher, we can use a fork. Just like that. So next, we have to mix our 1 cup of brown sugar, and then our 1 cup of white sugar. So you kind of just have to mix them. And then when they're already mixed, you can add your melted butter. So this is your melted butter, and your oil, your vegetable oil. So now you will add your vanilla. So you just have to add your vanilla and your egg. So you just need to beat your egg, like slightly beat your eggs. Okay, so that's your egg. Egg is mixed already. You will add your buttermilk. So ayan na siya. Okay, so now we set aside our mixture right here. Okay, now we have to prepare our dry ingredients. So this is like the 4 cups of flour. So basically we just add like the salt, this baking powder and baking soda, and then whisk them together just to kind of mix them. Okay, then after that we can add our mixture right here. So basically we just have to pour them over on this other bowl. Okay? And then you just slowly fold them, mix them. I don't use mixer for this one. You can just use spatula. You can use like a wooden spoon, or you can use this one as well if you want to mix it really good. So this is how it looks now. So now we can add our chocolate chips. So you just have to fold it. So that's our batter now. It's done. We just need to pour it to the baking pan. So this is our baking pan. We just have to grease them before we put our batter in. Okay, so if you don't happen to have a cooking spray, an oil cooking spray, you can use any oil like vegetable oil to just grease your pan. There you go. Ready for baking. It's all done. So let's check if they are really done by using like a toothpick, and if it pulls out clean. This is the chocolate, that one. Let's get another one. So if it pulls out clean, it's clean like that, then it means it's done. This is still warm. See?